Hi guys, for today's video, we will visit again the Sheikh Zayed Heritage Festival. Named in honor of the late Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, founding father of the way, the Sheikh Zayed Festival is enlightening for visitors interested in the legacy of the nation's founder. It also celebrates the United Arab Emirates culture and rich heritage through handicrafts, crafts, and traditional performing arts. A central attraction is the United Arab Emirates Heritage District, which hosts exhibitions and popular markets. The Sheikh Zayed Festival also features camel races, falconry shows, competitions, and fireworks. The World Heritage District is another highlight, showcasing the architectural heritage, crafts, products, and traditional arts of other countries.
So ayun na nga mga kaining. Yes, another gala ni Madam Ining. This time pupunta na naman tayo sa where, Ining? Park? Are you going?
Festival.
Yes, Sheikh Zayed Festival dyan sa Al Watba. So third year na atang pupunta ni Madam Ining doon. So ayan, marami namang pagbabago daw doon, and mas pinabongga this season. So titingnan natin kung may enjoy ni Madam Ining. So wag na natin pampatagalin to. Let's go na. See you. Bye bye Ining. Bye bye. See you later.
Bye bye Ginger. Bye Ginger. Bye bye Ate Ginger. Bye Ginger. Bye bye Ginger.
Bye.
Bye.
Pwede na yan. Vlog. So ayun na nga mga kaining. Yes, andito na kami ngayon sa loob ng Sheikh Zayed Heritage Festival dito sa Al Watba. And yeah, makikita mo ang changes from last year compared to now. Yeah, ang daming pagbabago. So medyo bongga siya ngayon na pinaghandaan nila. And then entrance now is 10 dirhams kada adult. Libre naman si Madam Ining. And mas marami tayong choices na activities ngayon. And marami rin choices ng food. Ayan. So ayan, iikutin namin to, and let's see kung anong magagawa and anong makikita natin ngayon for this year. So samahan nyo kami. Bye!
Bye.
few moments later.